My name is Wendy Love Edge, and I am the founder and creator of Bulldozer Health Incorporated. Bulldozer Health Inc. is a 501c3 nonprofit organization, and we will reach every American and ask them to take back their health and show them how to do it. I became very ill in 2011, and I was told that I was going to die. I was soon bulldozed on 16 different medications and really had no hope. When I decided to take back my health in the fall of 2013, I did a lot of research on alternative methods of health. I soon found out at that time that many things that are available to us are not available to the average person because of cost and access. I decided to create Bulldozer Health Inc. so that I could educate and empower all people to find health and wellness in their own lives. We have many parts to our company, including media, which includes film, music, and art, public speaking, which includes our health talks and health fairs, healthcare advocacy and coaching, where we meet individually with people and listen to their needs and ideas and help them to be empowered in their own health choices. We also will be developing emergency services for people who have chronic conditions such as migraine and back pain so that they can access alternative health ideas instead of just being medicated and sent home at the emergency room. We currently have 35 volunteers across the United States that are working very hard to move this healthcare reform movement forward. We need you.
Hello, I'm Wayne Thaxton. I'm from Georgia, and I like Bulldozer Health Incorporated because they are dedicated to finding people who are seeking alternative needs for healthcare and connecting and educating them to it. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Andrea Summers, Vice President of Bulldozer Health Incorporated. There are 4 remedies to taking back your health. First, change your mind. Stay positive. Believe that your body can heal itself with the right tools. Step 2, pharmaceutical review. Look at the pills you're taking and make sure that the benefit outweighs the risks. Step 3, nutrition. Choose fresh, read labels, and be aware of what you're putting in your body. Step 4, exercise and rest, which we've combined together because as you increase your activity level during the day, your sleep will improve at night.
Hi America, my name is Maureen, and I would like to thank Wendy and Bulldozer for helping me take back my health. And I want to let you know that it's never too late to do it. And trust me, old dogs can learn new tricks. So what are you waiting for, America? Get out there and take back your health.
Hi everybody, Note here from Crystal, New Mexico. The reason why I became a part of Bulldozer Health is because I believe a lot in alternative medicine. Being Native American, we use a lot of herbal remedies to help with different ailments of the body. I believe that you can become a healthier you by diet, fitness, and by herbal remedies. So here's my challenge to you, America. Take back your health.
Hi, this is Kian from Providence, Rhode Island, and I'm the Director of Health Advocacy at Bulldozer Health, Inc. Our goal here at Bulldozer is to give everyone in America the power to reclaim their health on all levels. We work to educate people on the healthcare options available to them, all the options, not just the ones offered by the mainstream medical system. We are trying to build a new system where everyone can choose the healthcare that works best for them. We want to increase access to herbs, nutrition, and complementary care. Please consider supporting us by making a donation, volunteering your time, or by simply spreading the word. Together, we can help all Americans take back their health.
Bulldozer Health Inc. will reach every American, and we need you to help us to do that. Because like a ripple in a pond, when good ideas are spread outward, everyone benefits. Take back your health, America.
Bulldozer Health.
Bulldozer Health. We want America to take back their health. Take back their health, America. Look at that.
This is Casey from Fayetteville, Arkansas. Take back your health, America.
We can